The word gratitude is derived from words meaning favor, thankfulness, pleasing, and goodwill, and today it generally refers to a readiness to show appreciation and return kindness. No matter the gifts of resources, experiences, opportunities, friendships, talents, and so forth, regardless of these things, if we receive them without gratitude, then they will never be enough. And yet, when you are empowered with the gift of gratitude, it can turn what you already have into enough, transforming your inner experience even when your outer circumstances haven't changed. The question becomes, how might you bring more gratitude into your everyday life?